Every day I have a blueberry muffin. Today I did not have a blueberry muffin. Should have had the blueberry muffin. Especially considering how incredibly superstitious I am.
Hey dudes, I'm Hyla, and welcome to Hyla Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic blueberry muffin, classic blueberry muffin, classic blueberry muffin. They're going to be so cute. Okay, this is done. I'm just going to pop it in the oven for 17 to 20 minutes. I kind of just want to eat one real bad. Those are just fine. It's a good muffin.
Should have the blueberry muffin.
It's a good muffin.
Should have the blueberry muffin.
It's a good muffin.
Should have the blueberry muffin.
It's a good muffin.
Should have the
Jumbo muffin. It's a good muffin.
Should have the blueberry muffin.
It's a good muffin.
Should have the blueberry muffin.
It's a good muffin.
Should have the blueberry muffin.
It's a good muffin.
Should have the
Jumbo muffins. Alright, well I hope you make this muffin for someone that you love, even if it's just yourself. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll respond as soon as I can. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!